Let's just spend a moment talking about the life cycle of stars. Stars are born, they live, they die, and there are an awful lot of them, as this picture reminds us. Here is a photograph of a naked eye object, the Orion Nebula. It is the middle star in the sword that's hanging from the belt of Orion, who's a hunter, and in that psychological projective test. But this is the Orion Nebula, which is a kind of stellar nursery, a place where stars are forming recently in the last millions or tens of millions of years. And for all we know, planets are forming rapidly here as well. Stars live for a sizable period of time. Our sun has a lifetime in its present stable state of about 10 billion years, and then they die. Here is the product of the old age of a star more massive than the sun, a great nebula, a star which has blown its top, blown its outer atmosphere out, and we see the remains of that outer atmosphere surrounding the star, which is in the middle of this nebula. And there are even more colossal explosions. This one is called the Crab Nebula, and it is a star which blew itself up in a titanic explosion, which would surely have vaporized any planets that were around it at the time. Now, the sun will not go through such titanic explosions. The sun will, some 5 or 8 billion years from now, gradually grow, become an immense, distended, cool red star called a red giant. It'll become so large that it will engulf the planets Mercury and Venus, and possibly even the Earth. But even if the Earth does not wind up inside the sun, there will be so much sun in the sky that the oceans will boil, the atmosphere will run away to space, and the Earth will be slightly more unpleasant than it is today. However, since that is going to happen 5 or 8 billion years in the future, it is not our most pressing problem. And for all we know, human beings or our remote descendants will be equal to the challenges of that time. After that, the sun will slowly contract and become a hot, dense, white object called a white dwarf, which will gradually decay, cool, and become a cold black object in space.